Hello people, guys, everybody, this is your girl Angel, and I'm back. And what's up? What's good? How's everybody doing? Oh, I missed y'all. I miss everybody. I hope everybody doing good. So today, for the love of Denmark, guys, I love Denmark. I enjoyed Denmark. Like, the epic of good stuff happened when I was in Denmark. So today I thought I would do a video on just like the basics in Danish. So I will start by saying something in Danish, and then I'll translate it in English. So the first thing that I'm gonna say is I love you. So I love you in Danish is "Jeg elsker dig." "Jeg elsker dig." So that means I love you. And then if I'm asking somebody, where do you come from? The question in Danish would be "Hvor kommer du fra?" So where do you come from? Hvor kommer du fra? And what would be, I'm gonna read a few things. If I am asking you, what is your name, I would say "Hvad hedder du," which is what is your name. So if I am saying I like your ass, as in your ass behind, I would say "Jeg kan godt lide din rår." That is what I like your ass. So I like your ass means "Jeg kan godt lide din rår." Like, it has to have this raw, like there's this thickness. They say better than I would. Like, yeah, that's how you would say it. And then if you would be asking, do you love Denmark, you would say elsker du Denmark, which is do you love Denmark. And then if you would say, do you miss Denmark, you would say savner du Denmark. Like, do you miss Denmark? That's what you would say in Danish. And then if you would say, do you love Danish food, you would say elsker du dansk mad, which is do you love Danish food? Elsker du dansk mad. Also, if somebody would ask you a question like, would you date a Danish man, you would say vil du gå til en dansk man? In dansk man, yeah. Guys, don't fry me. You know, I haven't been in Denmark for a while, but I'm really trying out here. So yeah, if they ask you that question, like if somebody would ask you, say, would you date a Danish man? Vil du gå til en dansk man? That's what it means. Yeah, so those are pretty much the basics. I always loved how I love you came out. Is like, yeah, elsker dig, you know, which is really pretty much the basics that you would know, you know. So if you would say, for example, would you like to, I guess it says "Jeg vil gerne have kartofler." I would like to have potatoes. If you'd say I would like to have potatoes, you would say "Jeg vil gerne have kartofler." Kartofler is potatoes in Danish. Yeah. So yeah, basically those are the few things in Danish, basics really. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I loved Denmark. I love their culture. I love their food. I enjoyed dating a Danish man. It was amazing. And it was just a great experience all overall. I have nothing really bad to say about Denmark. So shout out to Denmark. I just wanted to do a quick video with you guys of a few basics in Danish. So farvel. Hi, which means bye bye. So farvel.